Do you know about the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter. In the front we have door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living room. You can see here the sofa arrangement, TV unit on the front wall and large size window for ventilation and light purpose. If you go on the right side, so we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and dining counter with 2 chairs and 3 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So on the left side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go inside, so we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the right side we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have attached washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the 2 BHK tiny house design you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.